ngayong gabi? Ginapulbaan. Pero hindi halata sa yung kinakabahan ka kasi talagang napaka-elegant na elegant mo sa gown mo kanina no? So, sumasali ka ba ng mga ganitong klaseng patimpala, candidate number 4?
First time.
It is your first time. Ayan. Okay lang yan. Hindi halatang first time mo. So, ready ka na sa iyong katanungan? Bumunot ka ng isa, candidate number 4, and I will read your question twice. Yung big question, baka madala yung number. Number 3. So this is your question. You can answer it in any language. Walang problema po tayo dyan. So this is your question. If you have friends who's used prohibited drug, what advice would you give to them or her? I repeat, if you have friends who use prohibited drugs, what advice would you give to him or her?
Question. If I had a friend who used prohibited drugs, first I will do to ask them if they're willing to talk about what's going on in their life. Sometimes drug use underlying issues like stress, anxiety, and trauma. And talking can help them to doing health activities and can help them to focus their exercise, hobbies, socializing, and drug-free environment. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 4. Maraming salamat. And now I